Okay, hi everybody. Before we start the lesson today, I want to do a quick bell ringer to make sure that all of your navigation links and your absolute links work on your code that we. All right, so to start, when you go to Skillstrut, you want to go back to projects, and then you'll open up your project, the one you made yesterday, and then now we're at our code. So let's look at our nav links. So our navigation links are up here in the nav, and you can see the links were made here, and we made them into a unordered list, and then we have our list items, and each list item we have the anchor tag with the hyperlink reference, and then we have that equal sign right there, that pound sign. We need to change that. What's supposed to be inside the quotes is a relative path, or basically the name of the file that we made. So if this is going to be called our home page, then we need to have a file with the same name. So you can call it home.html, and that's how you fix that. Okay, so we're going to do that for all of the links in our nav, because these are relative links. They're going to be going to a page that we create, a HTML file that we create. The next one is for me is gallery, so I'm going to go gallery.html, and then we have contact.html. So whatever your nav links are, go ahead and change this part right here so that the name of your link, whatever your link is over here, it matches the link over here. All right, so now that we have all the names, now it's time to make the files to go with this. So we're still in our same project. We're going to make 3 new files. So we're going to go to the drop down, new file. Our first file is going to be home. And remember, because we have it with the lowercase h in the link, it has to be lowercase here. And it's going to be a .html. Save that one. So now we have 2 files, right? Home is blank because we don't have anything on there yet. Let's go back to my index. The next one is gallery, and then we have contact. So another new file for gallery. Make sure you spell it correctly. .html. So we spelled that with the E. And then the next one is contact. All right. So if I go on my index tab now, and if I click on like one of these links, it should take me to that blank page. There's nothing on it yet, so it takes me to that page. All right. If I want to run it again, it'll take me back to the home page. So now those links are working. We're going to move down and check out. So those are your relative links. Remember, your relative links takes you to a page that you created that's on your site. So now we're going to go down and look at our absolute link down here. That's going to take you to an outside site. So in this paragraph, in this section, I have an anchor tag, which is again another link. And it looks like it's supposed to be going to a guide for hiking from my website, because that's my hobby. I like hiking. So what we want to do is we want to change that link to an actual web address from www wherever, so it can actually work. So I'm going to go. I already pulled one up. It's right here. I'm just going to copy this link, copy that. Then I'll go over here. I'm going to paste the link right in between the quotes, and then I have my link. So here's that link down here. Now, if I click this link, it should work and take me right to that website, but I wanted to open it in a separate tab. So if I wanted to open it in a separate tab, I have to add a couple more attributes to it. So I'm going to have target equals, and then put in my quotes, and inside my quotes, underscore blank. So when I type in target equals underscore blank, now when I click that link, the link opens up in a new tab. Okay, not in the same window. So I still have my page over here, and my link is over here now. All right. So that's what that target underscore lab did. All righty. So great job with doing this. I just want to make sure you guys know how to work your links and make sure everything is working. And now we just went over your relative links and we went over absolute links. Thank you so much.